Ever wished you could make your photos pop by focusing all the attention on your subject? Today, we're diving into Adobe Photoshop to learn how to blur the background of any picture, creating professional images in minutes, and enhancing subject definition. First, open your image in Photoshop. Next, we need to unlock the background layer. Double-click the background layer in your Layers panel. Click OK in the dialog box to convert it into a regular layer. This allows us to edit the image freely. Now, select your subject. You have a few options: the lasso tool, the quick selection tool, or, for more complex subjects, the pen tool. For this example, let's use the quick selection tool, which is usually indicated with a paintbrush symbol. Click and drag over your subject to select it. Fine-tune by holding Alt and clicking to deselect unwanted areas. Keep your cursor on the subject's edge while clicking, ensuring you get every detail. Go up to the top toolbar, go Select, then select and Mask. Here, you can refine the edges of your selection. Adjust the feather to soften the edges, creating a more natural blur. Increase the smooth value for a more polished result. Under Output Settings, choose New Layer with Layer Mask to keep your original picture intact as you work on the background. Awesome! Now with our subject selected, let's blur the background. Click on the layer below the subject. In the Layers menu, there should be one with the same image. Go to Filter, Greater than Blur, Greater than Gaussian Blur. Watch this dialog box carefully. Adjust the radius to control the intensity of the blur. A higher radius means a stronger blur. Generally, a radius of 515 pixels will do the trick for most photos. Play around to get the look you want, and click OK when you're happy. And that's it. You've successfully blurred the background. Highlighting your subject, experiment with different blur types and settings to find your perfect style. Happy creating.